Today's package comes from Jean. Jean is a fellow seller. She has her group, a couple of sister groups, and they all begin with Luxe. Her business is growing really well, and she actually has been a linked group to LV ReLoved for a while. I've been eyeing it, and finally I just decided to buy it. So I'm looking forward to opening it. I've studied it online. It's a style from the 80s that you don't see often. And actually, it, like most vintage bags, there's not a lot of information about it. But back to Jean, her group Luxe 2.0, good in customizing if you want anything painted, repaired. She's very knowledgeable when it comes to cleaning. She's introduced me to some new products that I'd never known about. Like I said, I'm always learning something new, and I'm learning a lot from her. So, Luxe 2.0 is and has been a linked preferred group to LV ReLoved. So if you're not a member already, check her group out. This is from her, and let's open it. She must have known this is my favorite color. Okay, I'll try and be quick, but I don't want to cut a strap. That would be devastating. So this is called a Courcelles, and it is from the 80s. I don't remember the date code, but I'll look in a second if I can remember where the date code is. And it's a two-way bag. Isn't this in great condition? The canvas on this is spectacular. There is, it obviously was not used. It just was stored. The hardware has not a mark on it. You can see that. As a flat top. Kind of reminds me of the Posh Ministry, which I have just right here. Let me grab it. Yeah, okay, I'll put that there just to show off, I guess. And ooh, look inside. People, use your bags. An adjustable strap. Really good shape. There's a little marks on it, but I suspect it's just the sticky because one of the pockets in here is sticky. So it probably rubbed off on that, and I could probably get that off. Look at the buckle. So from my research, the Courcelles is either named after Charles Courcelles, who is a French artist, or it's named after a province in Belgium. And I searched and searched. Normally I can find something, but I couldn't find an ad. But the two zipper pockets. This is the sticky pocket. Well, actually, it's just peeling. That's going to be an easy fix. It's not sticky. It's the sticky that I get really, it's tedious, and you can, you can fix it yourself, but it's just easy. Look how clean and bright the zipper rail is. This is a gem. I'm going to look at the date code real quick. I think it's an 88. I'm guessing. I cannot read it. Only thing I see on it is a little rubbing right there. I'm going to have this taken in. I'm going to have my cobbler make that seamless so it all matches. And let's look inside this pocket. No sticky in that one. This is fabulous. This is a great find. I can't believe how pretty this is. Thank you, Jean. I'm glad I bought it. Great find. She found it. I got it. So I'm very happy with this. And again, go check out her page, her group. Courcelles. Courcelles. If you happen to know more about this bag than I do, let me know. Go ahead, Jess.